So we're going to quickly unbox and set up the Unistellar Odyssey Pro Smart Telescope. The whole process is ridiculously easy. As you can see here, it comes in a nice strong box that packs up nice and neatly. You can open it up by lying it down flat, and then you unfold it here as the instructions say. And then right in front of you, you can see you have the telescope body, and then you also have the tripod and instructions, and as well as the power cable in that box. When we go to set it up, it's unbelievably simple. You pull out the sturdy tripod that can be set at a range of different heights. It's very sturdy, very easy to set up. As you can see, you just pull out the legs, you unclip the ones which you want to extend, and make sure it's obviously all the same on all three. And that can stand man height, or it can be smaller, tabletop height, as you prefer. You then pull out the main telescope body, and that simply just slots on top there and bounces in. You then turn these two screws there just to make sure it's secure, and then all you have to do then is press the on button there, and then it's a matter of just connecting it to your smartphone via the app, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. It's very simple, very easy. It's brilliant.